Leah, where's your bed? That's not your bed.
This is my bed. Yeah, this is not your bed. This is my bed. Not your bed.
Leah, please.
I did my bed.
Did you finish brushing your teeth? Then go prepare your bed.
Pillow. That pillow.
Guys, I'm still recording here.
Oh, okay. This is behind the scenes.
Yeah, that's a reality. Leah, now.
Alright guys, so we just finished with dinner. Now we're going on a walk with the dogs and they are super excited. But guys, this is our last Friday before we have to go back to school and that's not going to be too fun. And then we also, this is the last day, last night we're going to have Christmas decorations because they're coming to take them down tomorrow. We're going to miss them. Christmas and New Year's is officially over and so are the holidays. So that's going to be not fun because I love them. But anyways, let's continue with our walk. Because they are anxious to go. Alright guys, so we're home. Now I think we should take a shower, right Leah? Yeah. Alright, let's go. So it's time to shower. Gosh, that walk was exhausting because Bella, of course, pulls like crazy. And yeah, Mia looks like she wants to shower too. But yeah, that walk was pretty fun. Now I'm gonna shower. Normally we shower in our parents' bedroom, honestly, even though we have our own bedroom, like a bathroom upstairs. I just like this one better. It's easier. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and shower. See you guys when I'm done. Oh my gosh, guys, Francesca literally took forever. My shower's running right there, and now I can finally shower. See you when I'm done showering. Bye. Alright guys, so as you can see, we're in bed, and I mean, we're not going to bed yet, but I mean, we're just like, you know, just chilling. Yeah. So at this time, normally we like watch TV or something, kind of just like relax, because this whole like 2 weeks and stuff have been like crazy. We had like two in a row day sleepovers
with Sophie and Nikki.
Yeah, so we went to the movie theaters, we went to dinner. The other one we went to like a trampoline park and out to breakfast and stuff.
And
out to breakfast, I mean. So yeah. And it was just a lot of fun and crazy and stuff. We did more stuff than that, but normally around this time I'll sometimes sew, maybe two. So that's the dress and stuff. Or sometimes I'll just bake. When Sophie and Nikki were here yesterday, we baked cookies and stuff. So that was fun and stuff. So but now all that is about to completely end because we have school.
When we're recording this right now, it's Friday and we only have 2 days left until school. And I'm just really sad about that because you know, like, we don't really like school.
Honestly, who does really?
I remember when I was younger, I used to love school. I'm like,
it takes up the whole day and you have no time for really what you love doing.
But right now I'm watching the TV and it was just really fun. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say that I actually broke my glasses today. I was playing with Bella, and then she jumped on my glasses like she always does.
On your face.
Yeah,
she was trying to tackle Mia, so she ran over you like 5 times.
Yeah, like, boom, boom, boom. And then she snapped this thing out, and now I'm using super glue to put it back together. So tomorrow I'm gonna go to the optometrist.
Nope, it's called the eye doctor, and that is not a word.
Yeah, eye doctor. Sorry. And yeah, so.
Yeah, that was. We were trying to find the screw that was connecting the thing.
Yeah, but it was in carpet, so there was no chance.
Yeah, we even looked, but there was.
Like, we looked for like an hour, and no screw to be found, so.
And you have only 20 minutes and you need to brush your teeth.
Oh, come on!
Yes.
No! Okay, let's go to bed.
School starts on Monday, so.
No school! No school!
I will start a petition.
Yes, school! No school!
Okay, 20 minutes, I'll be back.
Alright, bye!
Okay guys, 20 minutes is up. Francesca and Leah will not be happy.
guys. 20 minutes.
Not here. Yeah, I'm not here. We're just the blankets.
Okay, time to brush your teeth, guys. Francesca, Leah.
We're crazy little screaming blankets.
Seriously, TV off. Leah.
I can't breathe, I'm stuck. Uh-oh, this is not good. I'm stuck in my bed. Crap.
Francesca, are you serious? Hold my hand.
Ow!
Francesca, what are you doing?
I don't know. I tried to hide from you when I fell down the crack.
Okay, I have to turn the camera off to help Francesca. Okay, Francesca is saved. Come on, guys. Come on.
Wait, what? We have to go?
Yeah, you need to brush your teeth.
I'm not happy.
I can tell.
What is this? This is Leah.
Yay, school on Monday.
Huh?
School on Monday.
I still have 2 days. Don't even try.
Okay, can you hurry up, please?
Yes. Do I have to turn the TV off?
Yes, that's actually a great idea.
Where's my remote? Bye, Lilo.
Okay, can you take the blanket off the... Don't forget to say good night to everybody.
Good night.
Yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Francesca,
What?
you're not going to sleep like that, right? Move your pillows, please.
Why?
Leah, where's your bed? That's not your bed.
This is my bed. Yeah, this is not your bed. This is my bed. Not your bed.
Leah, please.
I hid my bed.
Did you finish brushing your teeth? Then go prepare your bed.
Pillow. That pillow.
Guys, I'm still recording here.
Oh, okay. This is behind the scenes.
Yeah, that's a reality. Leah, now.
I refuse. Oh. Oh, shit, my teeth. Bye, Peter. Bye, Peter. Oh, ow, that hurt. Wait.
Francesca,
Goodnight. Oh, wait. Wait. It needs to be proper. Hold on. Did you come?
3, 2, 1, and... Okay, Leah, come on, to your room. Let's...
Get off me! Get off! Run,
Guys,
Marty!
yes, guys, this is what we're dealing with every night. Francesca?
I will get you! Okay, Leah, this is... Okay, huh? This is... Hey! Okay, just... Oh, show it on the screen. Leah? Leah? Yes? Do you see my painting over there? Yeah? Go to it. Do you see my painting? No, I know your tricks are gonna make me... Remember when Sophie and Nikki were here? You're like, Leah, come here. Do you see that light switch over there? Wait, turn it off, and then she made me turn off the lights.
You can turn it off and go to your room.
Yeah, see ya.
No.
I'm playing what?
Turning off her light.
Yes, go, please. And good night.
I want to whisper. She is so rich.
Turn the lights off. Turn it off. Thanks. Now I have to turn them off myself. Well, good night. Good night. Love you guys. Oh.
And see you in the morning. Be careful with the glasses. Don't break them again.
See you in the morning. Okay, let's make this a little transition. Wait, stay there. 3, 2, 1, boom.
Leah, wake up. Leah. have to go for eye doctor. Time to get up. Bella, can you wake your sister? Good job. Give her kisses.
Hi, girl. Hi.
Oh, it's after 9.
So cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. I love you so much. You're so cute. Oh. I won't give her kisses. Fine, let's go wake up Francesca. Hey, don't! It's my favorite. Don't you dare chill. Wait.
Come on, Bella Boo.
Guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to YouTube and search up siren sounds. Come on, wake up. It's time to wake up.
Why do you do that?
Because you don't wake up any other way.
Yes, Francesca, it's time to get up.
Why?
Because after 9.
This is the bad doggy. Bad doggy. Bad doggy. Bad doggy. Bad doggy.
Yeah, I have to take Leah to eye doctor. So come on.
I'm taking Bella with me.
Guys, brush your teeth and get dressed.
Okay, so I'm not gonna do my hair.
And do your hair.
Okay. Oh, this looks so good.
But you need to hurry up, okay?
I know.
Francesca, are you going with us or you staying home?
Yeah. Sure.
Are you making a video for your channel today?
Yeah. On my channel, I'm gonna be making a video. And I need to go to HEB to get
Don't
stuff
spoil
for
it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna spoil it yet. But it has something to do with baking, so.
Oh, and if you don't know our channel, it's officially Francesca, and mine is officially Leah.
That you haven't posted anything.
Yeah, I know. Like, I just don't know. I'm like, I'm gonna make a video today. Oh wait, I don't have an idea. I'm gonna make a video today. Like, and then I never have an idea.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, guys.
I really hope I could make a video tomorrow or something.
Okay.
With a idea.
Please hurry up, okay?
I'm almost done.
Alright guys, we're at the doctor's office. Eye doctor's. Yeah. I keep saying doctor's office to get new glasses. And I'm super excited that Bella broke them because
You are excited?
I needed new glasses, okay? But I wanted a good excuse to get new glasses. So thank you, Bella. You get like 3 treats. So let's go to the eye doctors and get new glasses. We'll see you there.
Okay, try the other ones. Okay, so which ones?
It's technically the same, but it's just different colors. Francesca, this one?
She doesn't need an appointment, so one of us can do this one. Sorry. Last name, say last name. And your first name?
Okay, can I see one more time? I think there are winners.
Alright guys, so it took us forever at the eye doctor place, longer than expected. I was expecting like 20 minutes and we'd be out and going to the store to get my stuff, but no. It took us almost 2 hours and I was so bored because Leah took forever picking out her glasses, and now she doesn't even have them. She has to wait 2 weeks thanks to Bella. But anyways, right now it's so late. It's like lunchtime.
Yeah.
So we're actually going to a place to eat lunch, and then we're gonna go to HEB for my stuff for the video. So, well, we'll see you guys at the place for lunch.
She gets 3. No, this was being off of grilled cheese.
And some fruit. Oh, where's my food? Nothing here.
Alright guys, lunch is delicious, but now it's finally time for HEB. I've been waiting for this like all day, so let's go. I need to make this video today. Come on, let's go. Alright guys, as you can see, we are back home from our busy morning, and guys, I am exhausted. But, you know, I still have to make the video, and Leah, what do you have to do?
Take a nap.
Okay, well, anyways, here, based on what I bought, I think you can kind of get the idea of what video I'm making. But go ahead and check that out on my channel, so you know. But guys, this has been such a busy morning. Not all mornings are like this, but some unfortunately are, and
And it's already afternoon.
yeah.
It's
so-
already like noon.
Yeah, and oh my gosh, I'm so tired, and it's...
And on Monday school day.
Stop reminding us! I cannot like that. But anyways, for now, this was our morning, and I'm gonna
Bella.
and you know, our Christmas tree is gone. We were out so long, and our dad is installing a speaker up there for our TV. Like, dang, guys, that is... That's hard. It was like, we were there, Leah, come back here. She's barking at Mia. Okay, but anyways, that was our morning. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Let us know what your morning routine is. And I'm gonna finish unpacking the stuff, and then I'll have to make the video.
And then you can pack your stuff for school.
I hate the word school officially. Okay, but anyways, go ahead and comment down below your morning routine, and comment down below some other video ideas you would like to see from us. And anyways, please consider a big thumbs up if you like it, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and thank you guys so much for watching. We love you. Bye.